Camping kit list. Tent. Waterproof trousers with weight stuff on it. 3/4 bed mat for 3/4 man. There's a rucksack. Reputation Stadium Tour hat, keep my head warm. Inflatable pillow to put my head on. Sleeping sack. A bunch of wet bags. Little sitting mat. A super big warm cozy hoodie. A waterproof jacket. A jumper. A bottle of water for making tea and coffee with and for boiling my water for my pasta. Spare pair of pants in case I shit myself. Spare pair of socks in case I shit myself. Little can of gas to cook dinner with. Bin bags for waterproofing. A kettle for boiling water and a little tiny thing that sits on top of the can of gas and acts as a cooker. A tube of fish Pringles. A big pot. A wee pot. Dessert fruit pastels. Vegan friendly. A tripod for my camera so I can capture every precious moment. A wooden spoon. Some blue bars drink. A red bars drink. A green bars drink. Instant coffee. Miniature bottles of whiskey. Little blue bags to put stuff in to keep it dry. A spoon. A bumper pack of Jammy Dodger. A packet of macaroni. A power pack thing for powering things. Funky colourful lighters for lighting things. Paracetamol for when my head hurts. A torch to see with in the dark. To see. Ooh. A little wood burning stove thing so I can have 2 pots on the go. A Kindle for when the chat gets boring.